Lady, we are exfilling the compound, minus the ambo. No. Said go left. No. Left! No, he said right.
Let's go back the other way.
You're clear.
Get out of the way!
Back right.
Left! Go left! Go!
Move. Who's this fucking guy?
I don't know, maybe he's 17th Fed, maybe he's friendly, maybe he's saying go the other way, go the other way. No! Left! Go left! Go left! Left!
I can't believe we left without him.
Going the wrong way. Jack, get up here, en route.
Take on your right.
Down road, back gate.
Take goes left.
Hey, there's no way these guys are in for a night. They got a little taste of victory. The annex is next. Tonto, boom, consolidate. Let's get the fuck out of here.
Let's go!
Exit out!
Is that door open?
That was intense. I forgot the grenade launcher.
We got a mover. State armored car, leaving compound. Target vehicle intercept, downrange 22 degrees. Stand by for word.
We just went in a circle, Scott.
What is this shit?
Where is this? What is he saying?
This is a bad idea.
Just go. Target vehicle was stopped. Tangos converging from all sides.
Who the fuck is this guy? Who's this guy?
Who are you?
He's doing this. I think he's trying to say he's friendly.
No, we don't know these guys. This is not safe. We don't know them. We're not safe here.
Two guys on the balcony. Two guys on the balcony.
We need to get out of here.
Well, who is that?
It's a trap, Dave. It's an ambush. We gotta move. We do not know them. We are not safe.
He might be trying to keep us from an ambush or
Who
something.
are you?
Back up while we can. Back up.
Who are you?
Just...
Get out of the way!
Keep going! Get out! Go to the right! Go right! Damn it!
Over!
Coming up on our ass fast.
Punch it! Light fire pursuit of target vehicle, half-click south of annex.
Hey, we're under heavy fire. We're on rest class.
AK, coming up, 8 o'clock. This window's not gonna hold.
Shoot that son of a bitch! Shoot him!
RPG!
Coming in!
Hey, easy Rome, try to blend. We are. There's a dead body in the back, a bunch of heavily armed operators. Just going back to hide in our covert CIA base.
Hey, we got a tail.
problem.
Annex, we got a tail. 2 or 3 vehicles in pursuit.
Start the destruction phase. Plan to evacuate.
Hit it, Ron.
How we looking?
You lost him, Ron. You lost him. You're good. Sure? Yep.
It's because he knows where we live.
Guard, get in the tower! Chef, you ready to get in the fight? Anyone comes over these walls tonight, we're kicking some ass. Keep moving. Contact rear!
Go!
We're coming in hot. Closing in at about 100 meters. Let's go shut the gate! Hey! Get back inside! Get back! Now!
Go back inside.
Danny, give me a hand. Let's get him to bed. Get him, go. Take. Does that need attention?
No, I'm good. It's a flesh wound. Let me do something. Let me help.
I need men. East side, take building D. We need all the help we can get. Let's go.
Guys, get the gate! Gate!
Hey, I had extra ammo brought up to the rooftops. Libyan guards are positioned in the towers.
Should have turned left. Some water, reload!
Who's gonna bring him inside?
Stays right here, Chief.
We exfil out, it's gonna be quick.
What about the ambassador?
No one could survive that. Right now, we need men on the roof.
I want to make a run for the airport.
Maybe you haven't noticed it's open season on Americans in Benghazi right now.